AI is going to replace jobs. No more humans at hotels. Robots will take over the front desk. Wait a minute. What if we've been asking the wrong questions all along? And hey there, hoteliers. Welcome back here to AI Hospitality Insights. I'm Armor, your hotel AI coach and also the host here. And today we are going to crack a code that's been misinterpreted, miscoded, and misled. And in this episode, we will be cracking the human code, why AI won't replace hospitality, but revolutionize it. And I encourage you also to stay in all the way until the end for some exciting bonuses. So let's dive into this exciting topic together here. Now, let's get one thing straight here. AI is not here to replace hospitality. It is here to release it and amplify hospitality. You see, AI is not the villain in our story. It is the jetpack strapped to the human spirit. And here is the twist. AI does not take away your job. It gives you your time back to better serve the guests and time to wow, time to delight, time to be present. And here's an expert tip for you. AI is not just a paradigm shift, it is a mindset shift. You don't just install AI, you unlock human potential. Think about that, my friends. Now, let's bust the myth. AI is going to replace hotel teams. Nope. Hospitality is built on the human touch, the smile, the empathy, the I got you moment when a guest needs help. What AI does is handling the boring stuff. So your hotel team can handle the beautiful stuff. An expert tip here is that AI thinks, human feels. Together, they create a guest experience where the customer feels seen, heard, and anticipated. Isn't that what hospitality is really all about today? Now, let's be real. AI is already here now in hotels all over the world. You have AI assistant chatbots, virtual concierge, dynamic pricing tools, and that's AI in action. But here is the secret sauce. An expert tip here is that AI is the invisible butler at your hotel. It preps behind the scene so your staff can shine on the stage. And guess what? The key is to start the right way with AI for your hotel. Start small, test one AI pilot, train on upselling tools, measure one moment. So, pilot, learn, scale, win. That is what AI in harmony with your people is all about. AI has its limits, and that is a good thing today. Let me paint you a picture here. A guest shows up, jet lagged, luggage lost, and needs something special. Does a AI assistant chatbot fix that? No. A human with heart and empathy does. So here is an expert tip. that focus on the magic of the AI. AI will alert your staff to these unique stress signals today. So your people can step in and shine at the right time and the right moment. No more juggling of checklist, no back end chaos, just pure service brilliance. That's what AI is unlocking for your hotel today. AI is too expensive. Now, let's stop the fair train here. AI is not about robots in every hallway at your hotel. It is about smart, strategic, small wins that amplify what you already do at your hotel. Start with micro transformations like feedback tools, smart guest journeys, or post stay automation. And here is what you will get back: time, energy, focus. That's what turns good service into legendary service, working with AI and humans in harmony, my friends. Yes, there are traditions. Yes, there are resistance. But do you know what else is traditionals? You have phones, bellhops, even hotel websites was once too new. So start small, start smart, start strategic, start in the right way for your hotel. Train a pilot team, let them become AI champions, and watch the mindset shift take hold. This is not about tech replacing people. It is about tech helping people become unforgettable today, my friends. Now, here is where it gets really powerful. Now, imagine your hotel like a symphony that plays in harmony every day, no matter what. If you have a bad day, good day, awesome day, average day, it doesn't matter. AI is the conductor that organizes every note. Your team or the orchestra playing guest experiences with heart and soul, and hotels that embraces AI as an adventure, not as a threat, will create futures others only dream about today. AI will be the operation of your hotel. Humans will be what represent your emotions. Together, they will create an unforgettable stay for every guest, no matter what. So, here is the real wake up call today: AI will not destroy hospitality, but the wrong mindset that might. This is your moment to lead, to pioneer, to reimagine what is possible today. Because the future of hospitality, it is not automated. It is awakening. Let's go build a better world together where AI sets the stage in harmony with your team, and let your team deliver the standing ovation every time with the help of AI. Want to learn how to start your hotel's first AI pilot? Well, as I started out with this video, I'm gonna provide you an exclusive offer here, and I want to provide you with a free 60-minute AI consultation with me, where I will answer your questions and get your hotel started the right way with AI, where we focus on AI and humans working in harmony. Now, and you will find the link in the description below here, and make sure that you sign up and reserve your spot today. And I want you to answer one comment below. What is one guest experience moment that you will love to automate, and one moment that you will never give up? Now make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, AI Hospitality Insights. But more than anything, make sure you share this video with your team, because the future is not about man or machine. It is about making magic together, humans and AI.